Abby and Emma make brownies, take 2.
Hello, this is Emma and Abby making Trader Joe's brownie truffle baking mix, and we're doing it fast. So
Speed cooking.
speed. Watch ready. This will go by very quickly, so pay attention. Ready? Set, go.
Oh, 1 stick of butter.
And 2 eggs. Now we are whisking the eggs
And the butter. Okay!
Now what are we doing?
Now we are pouring the Trader Joe's brownie truffle baking mix into our egg and butter mixture.
You want to pour it?
And mix well.
Checking the directions always helps a great meal. Baking tip. All ovens bake differently. Always double check your oven temperature when in oven thermometer before baking. Remember that.
Mix until it looks creamy and nice. Like, unlike this.
We are not finished.
Okay, now that it looks like this, we can put the palm, or use butter, but we don't have this, and spray this thingy.
When you're finished.
Okay, wait, I'm not.
We need to get one of those thingies. Rubber spatula. Yes. Come on. Here we go. Frederica's not in the pan. Frederica. Here come our guests. They are going to try our chocolate brownie. Okay. Now we are evenly spreading it around the bowl. can put it into a preheated 350-degree oven and see how it comes out. Okay, we will be right back when it's done.
I get a photograph of baking, film it crazy, and this is brownies baking.
Then give me time lapse.
Kill time!
Just like a Yola.
Still baking.
That's nice.
We are now going to eat this brownie. We're now cutting the brownie into pie pieces. Yum. Yum. Let's see how the audience likes it. Let's see how the audience likes it.
You
Get
can.
fake.
Oh, fake. You can have some. Aren't you gonna have some?
Fine.
See how the audience reacts.
Any vanilla left? This is not licorice.
No.
No, I haven't bought licorice.
Run that ice cream.
I have to remember to put it on my Mrs. Reed's list. 'Cause that's one of his.
Stash.
Mom, how do you like your brownie?
Chocolate.
I want a piece of lunch or something.
Want some ice cream?
This is the best brownie I ever ate.
Want some ice cream, Mom?
There's hardly any fake fruit.
That's like no ice.
There's no ice cream? How do you
We
like
have more
your ice
downstairs.
Sorry. Good!
Not even Christmas.
Yeah.
Look.
Next page. Let's see how bad you digest the brownie. I have to take my lap page.
I marry it.
When eating vanilla ice cream, always tastes that.
What?
Anybody
Thank
else?
you for watching. See you
Aren't you
next
supposed to be
time.
monitoring or
Okay, now turn.
narrating?
Now I enjoy it.
Bye, everybody!
What keeps it so fresh?
I'll save it for the morning. I'll just tuck it behind my ear.
As good as roast
Where's that possum pie, man?
This is asshole brownies.